Ducted units. Step 1. Turn the Wine Guardian system off at the power switch on the control panel. Step 2. Remove the access panel, grill, or duct collar on the opposite side of the unit from the control panel. Step 3. Locate the high-pressure switch near the compressor, a cylindrical device piped into the refrigeration system with 2 wires and a red button on the top. Push in the button to reset. Step 4. Reinstall the access panel, grill, or duct collar. Step 5. Push the power switch to restart the unit. Step 6. The thermostat will be flashing temperature with an exclamation mark above it if the cellar is warmed up past 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. Temperature and humidity will display on the screen. The temperature side and exclamation mark will remain flashing until the temperature drops below the high temperature alarm. When the actual temperature is lower than the high temperature alarm, it will stop flashing and the exclamation mark will disappear. For further guidance, please reach out to service@wineguardian.com.